Complete the table below. 3 squared equals 9. We're going to write the corresponding logarithm. One thing you need to memorize is the base of the log is always the base of the exponent. The base of the log is always the base of the exponent. What's the base of the exponent? What's the base of the log going to be? So we're going to say log base 3 of what? 9 equals 2. The logarithm equals the exponent of the base that gives you the argument. 2 is the exponent of 3 that gives you 9. 3 raised to what power gives you 9? 2. So a lot of students like to do this thing. 3 to the second is 9. I'm fine with that. It's visual. Now class, real quick, notice how the log, the 9, and the 2 are all on one line, and the 3 is written as a subscript. So if you write it like this, I'm like, that's pretty. And then I take points off. It will not kill you to write a subscript. Also, class, while we're here, this is pronounced log base 3 of 9. Class?
Log base 3 of 9.
You're the first class that actually said it. That's fantastic. Yeah, good job. All right, so let's write the logarithm for the second one as the exponent. What's the base of the log? 14, so that's also going to be the base of the exponent. 14 to the equals, good. What's the base of the log for the third one? Raised to the, oh my gosh, equals, I think I put the things in the wrong place there, but that's okay. Notice in the last one, if the directions were solved for the variable, you would do the exact same thing by rewriting it as an exponent. So you go back and forth. We're going to learn when you go back and forth in a couple sections. And by doing so, by writing it as an exponent, we have an x all by itself on one side and a number on the other. So whatever 3 to the 81st is, that's the answer. Whereas in the second line here, it was already solved for x. So in a couple sections, when we're solving for a variable, we most likely start with this type of equation and then rewrite it like log base 14 of a half. Log base 14 of a half is an exact answer. You only are going to give decimals if it's a word problem. But as discussed, you're going to be missing something. Next test.